Hello, everyone, and welcome to my first edition of Market Insight with yours truly, Ramy Attalla. Happy Friday! And it's not just any Friday, it's just over 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on December 6th, 2019. And in less than 2.5 hours, big news is expected to come out of both US and Canada with respect to jobs and unemployment, which typically tends to move the market quite a bit. So we'll watch over for that. So with respect to the market, on November 25th, I posted the chart you're looking at on my Instagram story to help you all benefit from what's about to happen in the market. And I think it caused some confusion, so let me explain. This is a chart of the Dow. The Dow is pretty much, just to give everybody a little bit of an idea, the Dow, if you think about it, is kind of like a collection of the biggest 30 companies in the US. So some of these companies could be like Apple, IBM, Intel, Microsoft, Nike, Walmart. So some of the biggest companies in the US. And when the Dow goes up, that means all these companies are going up. And when the Dow goes down, that means all these companies are going down. So based on this chart, after 11 years of an uptrend, since the drop back in 2008, I believe that we're reaching the top of the Dow, or if you think about it, the top of the market. And that means the market is about to turn and start moving down for the next few years. So on November 25th, pretty much what I did was I was trying to catch the market by actually putting an order to make money on the way down. So I predicted that it's going to go up a little bit from here and it's going to reach somewhere between 28,150 to 28,252. And I put these two orders so that as it goes up, one gets in, and if it goes up more, the second one gets in. So let's see what actually happened since the past couple of weeks as I try to catch the top of the market. So here it was. This is exactly the day it was on November 25th. And then as the market kept going, it went up. My first order got in. And then my second order did not get in. But then the Dow dropped quite a bit afterwards for the next couple of days. So what does that mean? That means this is a good sign that the market is about to go down as predicted. But let's go back to see what is it that you can do about it. So if truly we're about to go down in the market, how can you make money from this? Well, one way of doing this is I suggested you buy an inverse ETF of the Dow. Well, once again, what does that mean? So first of all, you need to open a trading account that allows you to trade something called ETFs, or stands for exchange traded funds. And once you have that trading account that allows you to buy those ETFs, you need to find something called an SDOW, which allows you to, when you buy this SDOW, as the Dow goes down, you make money because the SDOW goes up. So here's the SDOW. And then if we take a look just a few days ago when the Dow did peak, the SDOW dropped to its lowest point ever at 39.86. And as the Dow started to drop, so if we go back, as the Dow started to drop over here, the SDOW started to go up. So what I'm suggesting here is that for you to get an account, buy this SDOW, and as the Dow is about to make a major drop for the next few years, as I'm personally predicting, I'm seeing this SDOW ETF go up from this 41 range that we're at right now to at least 60. And if not, it's probably going to reach 80. So you can easily make 50% return on your money, if not 100% return on your money in the next couple of years. And the third thing that I want to mention that I did not mention actually on November 25th, which is since the Dow is going down, means the entire market is going down, generally speaking. And for everyone who's holding stocks and bought stocks years ago and has mutual funds years ago, we always hear the return buy low, sell high. So if you think about it, or based on what I'm trying to tell you, this is the time to sell at the high. So if you bought some stuff years ago or lately and you have some profits, this is a really good time to take those profits. And you could take those profits and make even more profits by buying this as Dow as the Dow starts turning down and you make money on the way down. On the other hand, if you keep holding on to those stocks, there's a really good chance that you're going to see your profits disappear. And I hope not, but I hope you don't end up losing on them. So that being said, hope this helps give you an idea of where we are in the market and how can you benefit from where we're moving on from here. Hope this helps. And as I mentioned, if you can go ahead and try to buy this SDOW ETF and consider it an early Christmas gift from me. Good luck and have a beautiful weekend.